how it can be of benefit. I mean, how it can be used as an incentive to motivate employees. Although we talked about that, and also that even as individuals, I mean, individuals so can pick it up on their own accord. So that was what we discussed today. So I want to welcome everyone in the room, and I want to say thank you for always taking out time out of your busy schedule to come for this meeting or to attend this meeting. I really appreciate everyone. So today, this evening, we'll be talking about something differently, another topic. I want to discover how to save money with car insurance. Or something. I'm sure people will like, how is that one possible? Or what do you mean by saving money? When I'm to part with my premium, I'm to part with money. So where will saving money comes in? Yes, but that's what we'll be talking about today, this evening. So we want to talk about how to save money with car insurance. Basically, that's what we all know what car insurance is all about. I know in the course of this program, last time we talked about different types of insurance, car insurance. We talked about third-party car insurance. We talked about comprehensive and the benefits. But I just want us to look at another side of the coin. That okay, how do you use how can you save your money? How can you save money with car insurance policy? So, a lot of people, they think the only reason why they need insurance is, oh, police let me pass. Because yes, we know that at least third-party motor insurance is statutory. It's statutory that if you are driving your car and you are not on at least the minimum of third-party car insurance, you know that you are committing an offense. As far as the Federal Republic of Nigeria is concerned, that's not what we are looking at. But most people, they are like, okay, it's just for me to remain an obedient servant or obedient citizen, or I'm just playing my civic responsibility. So let me just put third-party car insurance and off I go. That's why some people, because they do not believe anything, they do not attach any tangible thing, any tangible benefits to their car insurance. Even when you see, even learned people, you see informed people, when they back themselves on the road, you see them trying to fight and all that. I mean, on this platform, we have talked about, severally, that you don't need to engage into physical combat or assault because you hit yourself on the road. Just do the needful. So now, and that's why a lot of people, they just think, oh, it's just to keep the civic responsibility. Let me just pick third-party motor insurance. Even with people that has valuable car. What do I mean by valuable car? I mean, you have a car of 5 million naira, you don't think you should put, you should do something much better than just third party, because you just feel, oh, after all, it's just to keep the civic responsibility. No. So that is what we want to talk about this evening. It's not when you put on your an insurance cover, it is not just to fulfill all righteousness, not at all. When you pick up insurance cover, you have a purpose. The purpose for which you are putting on a cover, the purpose for which you are doing an insurance, even if it's not for any form of insurance you are doing, the purpose for which you are putting on an insurance is for you to have that peace of mind, for you to know that, oh, in case anything happens, I have somewhere to fall back into. So that is what insurance is all about. Insurance provides succor in times of loss. I think severally I've established that in this meeting, in this program, and that is why this program has been brought up, for us to understand the concept of insurance. So when you are now coming back talking about the insurance, when you put on a car insurance, it's for you that in case there is a loss, you have a succor. You have somewhere to fall back onto. So let us No, okay. So when you put, okay, I think I've talked about this, that when you put on that a car of value on the road, and you are, thank you for joining me, Madam Kenny. Thank you so much. Kindly mute your mic. Thank you. So when you are thinking that, oh, when you have a car of value and you are all you could think of is a third party insurance uh, cover for your car. Maybe you have car of 5 million, 6 million, 10 million, and you do not deem it that you should put, I mean, you should give him a befitting or a comprehensive cover. You just say, oh, so that when police check me, I'll be able to go and just play my civic responsibility. No. When you have such mind, it means you do not have the full grasp of what insurance can do for you. So when it is just third party you put, because what that means is that when you just put on third party when you just put on third party vehicle insurance on your car, it means even if your car, if there is a loss, and maybe you have the liability to the third party, and in the course of it, your own vehicle needs to be taken care of. It means you will not enjoy the full benefits of insurance. Yes, insurance will cover your third party liability if it's just third party car insurance you put on. But for you to enjoy full cover on your vehicle insurance, that is why you need that comprehensive car insurance. Because the comprehensive car insurance will not only take care of your third party liability, it will also take care of your own loss. How do I mean by third party liability? You are going on the road, you hit someone's car. That someone's car you meet is that third party liability, because that person will say, oh, come and fix my car for me. So instead of you doing the fixing by yourself, your insurance does the fixing. So what I'm not saying that if you have the mindset of the only reason why I'm putting on third party car insurance is for police to let me pass, then you don't have the understanding of what car insurance can do for you. So if you have a car of value, you know that no, it is beyond putting on third party car insurance on your vehicle. Now let us look at the 3 ways to save money through car insurance. What are the 3 ways? Yes, we are all familiar with it, but we may not understand, we may not look at it from that concept or from that angle. When your liability is being taken care of your insurer, how do I mean? Maybe instead of you doing the fixing, maybe you hit someone's car, and imagine if you are to repair it with maybe huge amounts of money, the money that you didn't plan for. Maybe you have the money to do something else, but because you are now liable, you have to cut the money out to do the fixing. But if you have the car insurance, you will not be using your money at that time to do the fixing or to attend to that liability. So it's your insurer that will be doing that for you. So in a way, it's a form of savings, because you would have saved that money. The money you would have expended to fix that liability. Your insurance will be taking care of that. So it's a savings for you. So in that way, you are looking at your insurer is taking care of that burden for you. Someone will say, after all, I've paid the premium. Yes, you have paid the premium. The premium you have paid is no, you cannot compare it to when that loss occurs. When you have to do the big one to pay for your liability, that's when you know that, oh, you have really saved money. Imagine, let's work with example. Imagine maybe you pay, even if it is just that third party. For example, imagine you have paid 5,000 naira for your third party, and you now have a third party liability of 200,000, and your insurance is still the one fixing it. So imagine how much you have saved. You have saved 195,000 naira. I believe we can all relate with that. So if you have saved the money, putting insurance in place, that premium you have used to purchase the insurance is actually it's for you to get that savings for yourself. Now, when your insurer is the one paying to put your vehicle back on the road in case of accidental loss, imagine you are involved in an accident. Thank God it does not claim life. It's just that the vehicle that is maybe right off or need to be fixed, and you are not thinking of looking for money to fix that car. It's a form of savings. When it is your insurer that is, putting that vehicle back on the road, you are not spending the money. Imagine maybe this time around, your third party cannot do that for you. So even if with your comprehensive car insurance, maybe you have used like maybe 200,000 or 300,000, depending on the value of your car. You have used like maybe 200,000 to pay for the premium, and maybe you now have to fix the car, put the car back on the road, and you'll be spending like 2 million, 3 million. Do you understand? It's a form of savings. So in that way, your car insurance has helped you to save money. So at that point in time, you are not looking for maybe 1 million, 2 million to fix your car back, because you are paying the premium. So that premium you are paid, it's a way of you trying to save your money, because when the loss occurs, that is when you know that, if you have not put the insurance in place, you will now be the one looking for the whole money. And at that point in time, you may not even have the money. Money is liquid. We all know that money is liquid, and money is like a visitor. It may be that maybe that time you not need that money. You may not have that money. But if you have done the needful, you have put a cover, you have gotten yourself a cover. It's a form of savings. I believe we can relate with that. So the last one I have here, the 3 ways to save money through car insurance, is when your insurer is the one replacing your stolen vehicle for you. You can imagine, you just bought a car, or even if you have not just bought it, you've been enjoying your car, and it goes stolen. You will be you'll be perplexed. You will not even know where to start from. You'll be thinking of how do I get the money to get another car? But if you have done the needful, you have put the car insurance in place. Of course, this time around it's not third party. If you have if that car is adequately covered, you won't be the one to think of how to get your money, your car replaced. So in such a way, you have saved the money. Imagine you bought the car 5 million naira, and maybe all you need to put the insurance on the vehicle is just like maybe 350 or 400,000, and now the car is stolen. You won't be the one. You are not to look for another 5 million naira to get the car. Your insurance is the one to replace the car for you. So in a way, you have saved the money. So when we begin to look at the money I want to use for premium, I will use it for something, then it means you don't have the in-depth understanding of what insurance is. When we think, no, I don't need to insure my car, let me just put third party. You have a car of value and you are just putting third party. You don't have the grasp, in-depth understanding of what insurance can do for you. If you have in-depth understanding, if you understand the concept of what the concept of insurance, you will understand that paying the premium is actually cheaper. It is cheaper to pay the premium than you be the one carrying taking up the liability on yourself. I believe we can all relate with that. So it is far cheaper to pay the premium than to be the one expending. When the loss now occurs, you now be the one running helter-skelter looking for. Do you understand? So even it's cut across all boards. It's not just about car insurance, just that I've just used this as a topic today. Even in all forms of insurance we are doing, it's always cheaper. It is more economical to pay the premium than to be the one, fixing the loss when it happens. So as when you pay, some people, when they want to do their insurance, that's when they will be pricing it. I think they are pricing tomato. Permit me to use that word. Some people can price down premium as if they are pricing what commodity. No, insurance concept. Insurance is service. What insurance industry offer is a service. It's not commodity. So when you begin to, maybe we are given a rate, for example, maybe you are asked to pay maybe 5%, and you begin to price it down. Oh, let me pay 3%, let me pay 2%, let me pay 1.2%. Then you are eroding the purpose for which you are even doing the insurance in the first instance. Because if you do not have adequate cover, you cannot be adequately settled when the loss occurs. For you to enjoy maximum claim benefits at claim stage, you must be adequately covered. When you are not adequately covered, you may not appreciate the importance of insurance, because the beauty of insurance, it is not at the onset. The beauty of insurance is not when you are going into the insurance. The beauty of insurance is when claim occurs. For you to understand, to know that, oh, I have the value, for you to enjoy the value for your premium, it is not how much you were able to price down your premium, but how you have been able to be settled, how you were able to be adequately settled when that loss occurred. Yes, nobody prays that loss occur. Nobody prays for negative. We all know that these are realities. It can happen. What insurance cover is that in case it happens. Yes, if it does not happen, to God be the glory. We give thanks to God if loss does not happen. But in case now loss happen, you have a backup, you have a succor, you have somewhere to run into. That is, at that claim stage is when you appreciate the value for the premium you have paid ab initio. So this meeting this evening is to encourage us that when next you want to go into insurance, when next you want to pick up insurance cover, don't be so particular about, oh, no, you want to price down the premium. Some people, they may just say, okay, just some might say because they want to get the business. No, the right thing is when the rate is given to you, the question you should be asking is, I hope I will be adequately covered. I hope when the loss occurs, this and this will be taken care of. We should be particular about when the loss occurs, will I have value for the premium I paid? Not that at the initial concept you begin to price down the premium as if you are pricing commodity. No, such acts should stop. I believe we can all relate to that. So that is why this program is to really help us to understand the nitty-gritty of this of what insurance is all about. So the value, the value of the insurance cover you have, it is at the claim stage, not at the premium stage, not at the underwriting stage. It is at the claim stage when you are able to have satisfactory claim settlements. That is when you know that, oh yes, I have adequate cover on my car, whatever you have insured. I believe we can all relate to that. So what we have discovered this evening is we have been able to discover how we can save money through our car insurance. Instead of you being the one doing the thinking how to look for money, no. By just paying your premium, you have your mind at peace. You know that when loss occurs, you will be adequately covered. I want to pause at this moment. I want to wait for response. If anyone asks question, please let's take out this time to ask the question because of our time. Thank you for listening.
Hello, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, madam. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
So much for the good job you're doing.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
My question is simple. I want to know if it is possible for insurance to step in for one to claim any delay claim on insurance when you want to do a major work on your vehicle. Probably you feel like the vehicle, the body work, maybe a major part of the vehicle, like you want to change the gear, you want to do the general body work, and it's going to cost you a lot, and you've done comprehensive insurance on that vehicle. Is it possible to call on the insurance to make claim insurance?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, madam, for that question. I mean, you have asked a valid question. I really appreciate that question. Yes, insurance does not cover maintenance, mechanical, your car maintenance. Insurance does not cover it. But should that car have accident, let's say that you have covered it, you have done comprehensive cover, and there is now a loss. The car is now accidented. Then the insurance will not do all that needs to be done on the vehicle. It must be consequence on the loss that occurred. But that's voluntarily on your own. You feel your car is becoming rickety, you want to fix it. No, insurance will not cover that for you. We have established on this meeting that what insurance cover is unfortuitous, unintentional loss. So, but that you want to do your general body car maintenance, insurance does not cover it. But if there is a loss, the vehicle has been accidented, and all those things need to be put in place, insurance will do that. Have I been able to answer your question, ma'am?
Yes, you have. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am. Do I have another? Okay, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Well done. Brilliant presentation.
Thank you, sir.
I am concerned with the third-party insurance.
Okay, sir.
In your presentation, you did say that you gave the impression that third-party insurance actually is functional more than let me go by police. Is there anyone that has ever claimed insurance on his third-party insurance? It sounded to me unbelievable. in Nigeria, when you have a third party of the 5,000 naira and you hit a car and your insurance will bear the burden of repairing that car, has that ever happened?
Yes.
You don't sweet talk. You don't sweet talk.
No, it's not a sweet talk. I really appreciate you, sir, for that question. Yes, many Nigerians don't know that they can make a claim on their third party. Some they don't get the third party through the right source. Once you have a valid, that is what we discussed 2 weeks ago, to validate the genuineness of your car insurance. Once your third party is taken from insurance company, maybe through your broker, if it's a genuine third party, not those ones that some people organize for you that is just like maybe 1,500, 2,000. No, the standard third party of 5,000. It's to cover for your third party liability. If you hit someone's car, you call your insurer, or if it is broker you are using, you let your broker or your insurer know that you have a liability, and that is what that third party insurance is for. It's beyond police let me pass. But a lot of people don't understand. People make claim. Those who understand it, they make claim on third party. With your third party insurance, you make claim. Insurance companies settle claims on third party liability, but most Nigerians don't know. Rather, they will say on the roads, cause traffic, and begin to fight themselves. But
there's a follow-up on the first or
okay, sir.
Now, thanks for the enlightenment.
Okay,
I now
sir.
know that people can actually make claims on
Yes,
third
sir.
party.
Yes, sir.
Now, how fast does such claim, manifest? I hit somebody's car, that individual is traveling, and the car will need to fix immediately. How do I get my good car, my insurer to fill that obligation when the third party really needs it? Because I know that you need to write, you need to pursue it, and at times forever, nothing gets done. That's why some people will just prefer to go and fix it. And, so how soon can the claim be made?
Okay, thank you, sir. I really appreciate you for that question, sir. Yes, that is what I mean. You would have done the insurance through someone, maybe through your broker, or you directly from your insurance. Once you put a call through, when the thing happens, you take a snapshot. You snap it, or you can even record the incident. So once you get the claim recorded, you can, and you have the evidence, because one of the processing from insurance is they will ask for the cost of repair. They will ask you to submit your the cost of repair. You do the costing. So you can, once you have reported the claim, you can go ahead and fix it for that person. I hope you are getting it. So when the insurer now pay you, because yes, it takes time. All these things takes time. But the first thing is just report the claim. Once you report the claim and the insurance steps in, you can go ahead and fix the car. Then your money will be refunded, because mostly what insurers do is to settle through cash. There are different ways of claim settlement: cash, replacement, but mostly for convenience it is through cash. So the first thing is get all the evidence, put them together and get it reported. Then you can go ahead to fix that person's car, and your money will be paid later. Have I been able to answer?
Please, and a final word from me.
Okay, sir.
Most likely you have treated this topic. Maybe I wasn't in class.
Yes, sir.
The final one is, how do we know authentic brokers? Because at the point of registering, renewing your paper, they will tell you, even in the bank that you're using, they tell you they are fixing the insurance too. So if from the bank, for instance, where I'm doing the people renewal, they are also offering to do the insurance that is 5,000, and immediately I get a notification that you have your insurance has been done, 5,000 stop. Is that not good enough to know that that's authentic? And which way would you suggest one processes the third party to make it valid?
Okay, sir. Yes. When you receive that alert, it means, because it is those people that their insurance is captured by the platform that I discussed that 2 weeks ago, NIID platform, National Insurance Industry Database. Is an initiative of Nigeria Insurance Association. So when you receive that notification, yes, it means your third party is valid and you can make claim with it. But if most times you don't receive that, but most importantly, what I discussed in the class that day, for us to visit the platform. Once you just Google it, NIID, it will bring it out for you, and you can you log on into the platform and put in your registration number. It will bring out the status of your vehicle, whether the insurance on it is active or whether it has expired, the make of your car, everything will bring it out for you, sir. You can just Google it, NIID. So you'll be able to log in and see if you put in your registration number, your car registration number, it will bring out the status of your vehicle for you. It will tell you if you have current, if your insurance has expired. It will tell you if it is third party or comprehensive. It will tell you everything. It's a platform, NID. Okay, sir. I really appreciate it, sir. So on this note, our time is up. I really want to appreciate everyone that participated in today's meeting. Let's meet again next week between the hours of 5:30 and 6. Just 30-minute interactive session with Grace Ijo. Let's meet again next week. And if you have any insurance needs, you don't need to look for anybody again. Just reach out to me. Okay? So let's meet again next week. Thank you so much, and do have a great evening.
Bye-bye, ma.
Bye-bye, sir. Thanks for coming. Barrister Folorunso Aliu. Wow. Is that Mr. Aliu or Mrs. Aliu? Or thanks for joining me and every other person.
You're welcome. Well done, madam.
Thank you. And Cynthia Aliu joining me for the first time. Thanks for joining. I appreciate everyone that has joined me on this program.